All right, 3,600 line per centimeter grating. Okay, so what that means is that our D is, if it's got 3,600 lines per centimeter, that's, the D is 1 centimeter, so 0.01 meters, right, divided by 3,600. Let's figure that out first. I know we'll need that. And that is 2.77 repeating times 10 to the minus 6th meter. So that's our D, right? It produces a third order fringe, so n is equal to 3, and then our angle is 23 degrees, right? What is the wavelength of light? So d sine theta is equal to n lambda, 2.77 repeating times 10 to the minus 6th sine of 23 is equal to third order, right, times the wavelength, right? So now we can solve for the wavelength. Wavelength's just going to be this times this divided by 3. All right, I can do this. So the number on my calculator times sine 23. Make sure you are in degrees, right? Okay. Divided by 3. And I get 3.61788 times 10 to the minus 7th, which would be 361.788 times 10 to the minus 9th, which would be about 362 nanometer, because a nanometer is 10 to the minus 9th, right? Okay. Then it says how many orders are possible. Well, theoretically, right? These orders get very, very faint as you go up, but theoretically, if we solve this for n, okay, n is going to be d sine theta over lambda, right? Now the maximum n you can, or maximum theta you can have is 90, right? So put 90 degrees in there. Well, sine of 90 is just 1, right? So replace that with 1. So basically it's just d over lambda, right, is the maximum number of orders. So if I take 2.77 times 10 to the minus 6th and divide that by, what's our 361.788 times 10 to the minus 9th, right? So that guy divided by this guy, I get that it's 7.6779 orders, right? Okay, well, you either have an order or you don't, so we only have 7 orders. Now, this is kind of stupid. I wrote this problem, so I'll own that, right? This is kind of stupid because really beyond like the third order, you really just can't see these things. But that's what you do. If they ask you what's the maximum order, just make the angle 90 degrees because that's the biggest angle you could have. Even though 90 wouldn't hit any screen anywhere, right? The light would be going in and turning, right? Okay, but just put 90 in there and then solve it for n, right? Because the maximum, your angle is, what is it? It's d sine theta, right? Oh, sorry. It's d sine theta equals n lambda, right? Okay, so theta is inverse sine of n lambda over d, right? Okay, and so if this number ever gets bigger than 1, you're in trouble, okay? Just saying.